Hello lovely people, welcome back to Live Life Lovely. Today I am so excited. I am participating in a Clean Kitchen at Night collab. This collab is hosted by the wonderful Miss Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat and Mandy from Mandy in the Making. Both channels are unique channels and they both focus on cooking, cleaning, decorating, and much more. Please check them out. Their channels are listed below. Also listed below is the playlist of all of the other wonderful YouTubers who are participating in this collab. So if you need a little inspiration at night to get your kitchen clean, please click on that playlist for inspiration. I know that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoy and talk to you soon. Bye.
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop.
This counter is my work counter. When I cook, I cut on this counter. I put dishes away on this counter. This counter gets a lot of wear, so I always have to remove all of the appliances from this counter so I can ensure that I get all the crumbs. And by the way, it's nighttime and my counters are dark green. So it's just easier for me to see everything on the counter when it's clear as well.
I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to the Bowery, and I was high enough. There along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye. We were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you go.
Now I'm moving on to clean the sink area, and this area always takes longer for me to clean than I want it to. You would think because it's stainless steel, you rinse it out and that's it. But I can tell you, food gets stuck in the sink so easily, and I'm always scrubbing and I like to see it shine. So I spent about a good 5 minutes cleaning this sink out. And I like to spend about 2 or 3. So just making sure that all of the food particles are gone away and giving it that one last rinse. And that's my television behind it. A lot of people don't agree with TVs being behind their sink because of the water, but I'm pretty much the only one who is using this sink like almost every day, and so I do a good job of keeping the television dry. I love to cook and watch Netflix. That's all that's on this television, guys, is Netflix. That's it. And I really love discovering new movies. I really watch the nice dramas that make me cry, and it just makes me happy while I'm cleaning and cooking.
You in the sun won't let you sleep. Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna walk you through the dark side of the morning?
Comment below if you have a similar stove. This stove is so hard to clean with the 5 burners. I have to go in circles and around and up and down and to get everything out of there, and then you really can't see it, but there's like steps right on top on each corner that constantly gets like particles in them. So this stove is very hard to clean. I hate cleaning it, but I hate to see it dirty as well. So comment below if you have a stove similar to this, and give us some ideas on how to keep it clean and do a better job and to clean it easier, because I don't know, this is how I normally clean it on a daily basis, but I would love to get some new ideas about it. And oh my goodness, I see that yellow pillow. That's an emoji pillow on the floor. I'm quite sure my 2-year-old had that in the background. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you do a better job of cleaning your stove. But so far, this works for me. So I'm going to use a little bit of stainless steel cleaner on this microwave. It just gives it like a glossy shine that I really like. So I think I got that stainless steel cleaner from Home Goods actually. I was waiting in line and it was like one of those extra things, but it works really well. I like using it.
I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down. Don't let me down.
I don't know if it's just me, but I have to use cleaner to clean the glass before I put glass cleaner on it. So I have to use both on glass and then wipe it dry. I just feel like glass cleaner doesn't really clean without the cleaner. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. That's just how I've been doing it, for years. So I'm going to clean this table. I'm going to clean my son's little Paw Patrol table. It's so cute. And then I'm going to put the chairs on top because I'm going to be mopping tonight. I don't mop every night, but my floors need to be mopped tonight. I just monitor the traffic and how the floors look. They're pretty light, so they have to stay clean. But normally this is not a night that I would be mopping, but tonight I will be. And my co-creator is showing up. He shows up in a lot of my videos. My baby boy, Jaden, love him to death. He's my 2-year-old and he keeps me company as I make videos. So I use this table as my drink station. I have a summer drink station theme with lemons now, but I am doing a fall home decor series. I'm releasing videos every weekend, and I will be transforming this into a fall drink station in a couple weeks, so I definitely will film that. So if you want to get some ideas on how to create a drink station for fall, please stay tuned for that video.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
If you have not tried this old cedar mop, I suggest that you try it at least once. I love this thing. It is my favorite mop of all times. Not necessarily because of the mop itself, but because of that black bucket. You can spin it around, you can spin it around a little and have a lot of water on your mop, and you can spin it around a lot to keep your mop completely dry. The way the bucket is shaped, it's very easy to put it in the sink and put water in it. I love this mop. I saw this lady coming out of Walmart with it and I stopped her. I said, "That's a good mop." And she looked at me, she was like, "Oh good, I didn't know." So yeah, I was so happy to see that she was buying this mop. So try this mop out. It's pretty good. It'll be a good wish list for your birthday or for Christmas.
You got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Show me that you're fake to me now.
Now my kitchen is clean and ready for me to mess it up in the morning. Thank you so much, Jennifer and Mandy, for having me on this collab. Until next time, guys, life is as lovely as you make it. Bye.